Hello everyone and welcome out there who is watching me. It's Tumimse Andrew and I'm a lecturer at Frontier College. Today I want to talk to you about the listening skill which is taught at Frontier College. And why do we need to learn listening skills? At Frontier College, we do teach the listening skill on all levels that we have at Frontier College. If you are a beginner, you are a starter, you are at elementary, you are at diploma, we do teach you the listening skill. Why do we teach the listening? It is when you learn through the listening skills, you adapt how the native speakers speak English language. Then you can adapt, and when you are speaking English to someone, can really understand that you have gained the skill of pronunciation, you have gained the skill of understanding. Because if you are speaking to someone or having a conversation with someone who speaks English language, it is very important to have the skill of understanding. Now, if you come and you're a basic student, we shall give you the recordings, or during the class lessons, you will have the recordings which will help you to enhance your skill of listening.
Recording 26. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to order. Well, thanks to our new ordering system, it's very easy. First, type in the customer's name and address here. Second, choose the product the customer wants to order from this list. Third, select the quantity the customer wants.
If you go to beginner, we have a lot of books which talks about the listening skill. If you're intermediate, we have the books which talks about the listening skill. And also, if you're a diploma or advanced level student, we do still have the book which is called Speak Out. It is a very nice book, has all the clips of comprehension, have all the guidelines about the listening. When you come to Frontier, I'm very sure you will enjoy our all package that we have. But when you come to the listening skill, I'm sure you'll never regret, because Frontier, we are still the leaders when it comes to the skills of teaching English language. Actually, if you think it's a joke, I want you to try, and I'm sure you'll never regret for having chosen Frontier College, because this is the only right place where you can learn English language in and out of Mogadishu. I will see you in my classes next time, inshallah.